If in your practice time you sound amazing, chances are you're not getting better. It's your boy Damani, the founder of DrumTrax, and I'm here back with another Motivation Monday tip, whatever you want to call it. I'm here to deliver you another nugget of wisdom. Now, I know that you're gonna have a very productive practice week because you're watching this video right now. That's why I'm here to tell you, if you find yourself when you go practice and you sit down and you're just blazing around the kit and it's just so amazing, chances are you're not getting better. Here's why. Practice is not easy. Practice is working on something that you're not already good at. You may be able to play it a little bit, you may be able to get it right once or twice, but you can't play it up to speed. You can't incorporate it in different contexts. All you know how to do is play the bare minimum, or you can't even play it yet. It's a struggle to play it. Those are the things that you practice and you're working on. If you're doing that, then practice becomes a struggle sometimes. It's like, yo, this is wild in here. And listen, time is precious, right? It's the only resource that we don't get back. Like when you get done watching this video, you're never gonna get these minutes back, but I promise to make it worth your while. That's why you're watching this video. And I don't want you to waste your time in your practice because you want to see results. You don't wanna be one of those drummers who practice for hours on end, for months and years, and then they've been playing for 10, 15, 20 years and they stop getting better after year 2 of their drumming. Like you don't wanna be one of those guys. It's depressing. But in order to avoid that, you gotta make sure you don't fall into the trap of practicing or really rehearsing things that you're already good at. Make sure this week that when you practice, you're working on things that you're not already good at, things that cause you trouble, because that's how you know you're getting better. All right, fam, that's it. I'm not gonna take a lot of your time today, but I want you to have a productive practice week, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. It's your boy Damani, the founder of DrumTrax, and I'll see y'all. Peace.